Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing Meetn, a browser-based meeting and webinar platform that's currently making waves on AppSumo. If you're looking for a Zoom alternative or something more professional for webinars and virtual meetings, stick around because Meetn might just surprise you. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Meetn is built for business meetings, sales presentations, coaching sessions, webinars, pretty much anything that requires a smooth, reliable online meeting experience. Features. Here are a few features that really stood out for me. Preloading content. You can upload slides, PDFs, even videos ahead of your meeting. No awkward screen sharing. Multi-streaming. You can stream your session live to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and even Twitch simultaneously. Large webinar capacity. You can host up to 1,000 attendees, which is fantastic for larger events. Customization. You can fully brand your meeting rooms with your logo, colors, and even welcome pages. Real-time translations. Super useful if you're working with an international audience. Who is Meetn best for? In my opinion, Meetn is perfect for coaches and consultants, sales teams, educators and online course creators, webinar hosts. If you do a lot of live selling, client presentations, or educational webinars, this platform is honestly a no-brainer. Pricing and final thoughts. Let's talk about pricing right now on AppSumo. You can grab lifetime access starting at just $79. That's a killer deal considering you avoid monthly fees forever. My final verdict? Meetn is a hidden gem. If you're tired of Zoom fatigue or want a meeting platform that looks and feels professional, this is absolutely worth picking up. It's still evolving, but what you get even now is super impressive. Check out the link in the description if you want to learn more or grab your lifetime deal. And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.